Today, we'll be answering the question, how much will long-term care insurance cost me? And I want to talk about the comment that we get from time to time, or that you hear out there if you read publications or listen to the news, which is long-term care insurance is very expensive. And very expensive is relative, but I will just put in perspective for you how insurance works. Because the risk is so high that we will need long-term care. I know the last time I looked at a few different sources, the percentage of people, if I'm married to Wendy and we're both age 65, it's very, very high. In fact, well over 50% that we'll need long-term care sometime before we pass away if we're both age 65, because people are living longer. And so it's a significant risk for the insurance companies. Because of that, the premiums are high relative to the benefit. It's like if every other house on your street was going to burn down, homeowners insurance would cost a lot more. So that's something just to put things in perspective. The other thing I want to talk about is there's actually two types of long-term care insurance policies. There's the old one, where if you were paying attention 15 or 20 years ago, the old type of long-term care insurance is we would just pay a premium. If you ever went on claim, they would pay you a benefit, but if you never went on claim, your premiums were gone. There's a new type of insurance, which I tend to like a little bit better, where you pay your premium, and if you never go on a long-term care claim, you get your money back, or your family gets the money back when you pass away. It's a little bit like you win both ways. Whether you need the insurance or whether you don't, you get all that money back. So we tend to favor the second type. Is it expensive? If you were to buy at age 65 about a $5,000 a month benefit, or $60,000 a year, it's going to cost for a couple anywhere between $5,000 and $10,000 a year. So again, this is why we like the refund. If you paid that premium for, let's say, 15 years, and you don't need the coverage, you can either cash the policy and get all your money back, or wait till you pass away and your family gets the money back. So it is a significant investment to cover yourself for the risk of long-term care, but the risk tends to be very, very high. So I hope that answers your question today. Obviously, this is a very individual situation. We need to look at your financial situation, because not everybody should buy long-term care insurance, but some people really should, and they ignore it because they don't quite understand how high the risk is. If you enjoyed this topic and you want to hear more, just click on the link.